Hello everybody, how are we all? Something nice and simple today, air fryer. You've probably seen by the thumbnail anyway. 69 pence from B&M. Air fryer seasonings. We've got hold on, glasses on. The Spice Emporium air fryer garlic and herb seasoning. Great on pork, fish and potatoes. That's that one. And we've also got air fryer chip and potato seasoning. Great on fries or potato wedges. 69p each. Are they worth it? I mean, for 69p. Can't suppose them to be that bad, can they? So anyway, let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to do pork chops. Garlic and herb, and I'm just going to make some homemade chips to put in them ones, all in the air fryer. There's 4 in there, just Aldi everyday essential things. £3.26, nice and simple. 4 potatoes there. Let's have a look at these seasonings. Let's get my glasses on. Yeah, Spice Emporium, garlic and herb, great on pork, fish and potatoes. 80 gram in there. How to use. Before cooking, brush the food with melted butter or olive oil. Sprinkle the seasoning over the food, ensuring a good covering. Or mix the seasoning with oil to rub into the food and leave for 10 minutes. That's what I'll probably do. Because I'll put them in a bowl and just let them sort of marinate, couldn't I? Do not use over steaming pots or clogging may occur. Okay, that's that one. Where's the ingredients? There's the ingredients if you want to have a look. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika flakes. That's the garlic and herb. And for the fries, exactly the same. Chip and potato seasoning. I suppose that one would be all right for garlic and herb chips as well, wouldn't it? Great on fries and potato wedges. That's exactly, must be exactly the same. Yes, exactly the same. And the ingredients. Bit of turmeric in that one. Well, there's turmeric in that one, is there? Is there? No thyme in that one. Yeah. So anyway, let's start with the pork chops. Okay, let's open this garlic and herb up then. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, unscrew. Doesn't say how much to put on, so I presume it's all to taste. That's it there. Oh, see properly. Oh, it does smell nice, that does. It smells a bit like... Oh, it smells a bit like sage. The sage and onion stuffing. That's what it smells a bit like. Anyway, first things first. We'll get a bit of oil in the good old bowl. And we'll get some seasoning in first and we'll mix it together. I'm going to put a bit in because we want to get a taste, don't we? We'll see. I'll give that a mix. Like so, we'll put that to the side. We'll get the chops out. 4 chops. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will pat them dry. Both sides. And we'll just snip the fat with some scissors. Let me know if you've had these before. I'd never seen them before in B&M, and I thought 69p each. You can't go wrong really, can you, I suppose? And we will give this a mix. We get them all coated. You could use butter, I suppose, like it says, couldn't you? So I'm just going to use oil. Get them all coated. The smell's lovely. We want a good amount, don't we? We want a good amount on there to soak in. Turn them over And we'll do the other side. And when they're done, we'll leave them, when they're done, we'll leave them to marinate for a bit. I might stick them in this bowl, you can get extra rub on there, I suppose. Could do with a little bit more, actually. Could do with a little bit more. Mind you, that should be enough, I think. We'll let that do the things. And then in the meantime, I'll just peel my potatoes. And we'll just turn them into chips. I'm going to make them nice and thick. Well, thickish. Not too thick so they take ages to cook, but thick enough. Something like that. I'm not going to parboil them or anything like that. Not today. Okay, potatoes are done. Now with these ones, we're just going to pour some oil over the top. And then we're going to sprinkle the good old chips and potato seasoning in there. That's what we're going to do with this one. Open it up. Take it off if I can, yes. There's that one. Oh, that smells quite nice as well. I'll give it a mix and I'll put some more in, just so we get it all coated. We'll get the ones at the bottom and all. Bit more. And then we're going to leave them for like 10 minutes, like it says. We will get the air fryers warmed up. Okay. Got the one air fryer warmed up already. My air fryer oven. And I'm going to get my chips in. This one. We're going to have all that seasoning on top there. Get it all on. Spread them out. A bit too many chips, but hey. And shake them and all that halfway through, you know the score. We'll get them in. I have got a tray underneath because of all the dripping. Got that dripping I got left there, look now. I'll put that back in the bowl. And then, halfway through cooking, I'll tip it back on it. That's what I'll do. Yeah. Get on there. Don't want to waste it, do we? Okay. Time for the chops. Air fryer's warmed up. Bit of oil in. Let's get these chops in. And what we'll do is we'll turn them halfway round. And hopefully they're going to be delicious. I don't think I'm getting all 4 in, am I? I'm not. I'm getting 3. I did get all 4 in, moved it around a bit. They're going to shrink anyway, so they'll be alright. I'm going to get the rest of this marinade on there now. Just to use it up. Okay, and we'll give them 15 minutes or so, and we'll have a look. Okay guys, it's been 20 minutes for these chops, so I'm just going to have a look. They smell delicious. Oh yes, they're done. They smell absolutely delicious. Right, chips are done. Let's dish up. Okay, let's get them out. Let's get them out. Couple each. Oh yes, got some, that's just rocket, that is. Just a bit of rocket. Let's get the last one. There is the good old chops. That look nice, and I tell you what, it smells really, really nice in this kitchen. I'm not going to lie to you, it smells absolutely delicious. And my chips are there. They look nice as well. They look really nice, don't they? some of these on. Oh yeah. Homemade chips. There we go, guys. What do we reckon? It's going to be all in the taste with the old seasoning, ain't it? But they look delicious. I think it looks delicious. And them chops, they smell like sage. Smell really, really nice. Give you a closer look. That's not coming on. She's feeling a lot better. She'll probably be back tomorrow.
I'm getting there.
You're getting there.
Slowly getting there.
Slowly getting there. There's the chops, look. And the chips. Oh yeah. There's nuts. And that's going to go first with the chips.
I have to taste that again when I look some.
Yeah.
I can smell it.
I think I can smell, it's the pork chops, I think I can smell the garlic and herb. It smells really nice.
The chips taste nice.
Chips taste nice?
No, I've had the second one. Yeah, it smells like stuffing.
Smells like stuffing, doesn't it? They're nice, aren't they?
I like the chops.
Ow.
They're nice.
Them chips are nice.
The chips are nice.
And it's like everything, isn't it, when you first try some of that seasoning? It's how you season it, isn't it? It's getting used to what you season. Do you want more fat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would say no.
Wouldn't say no.
Thank you.
Try a bit of this chop.
Chops are nice.
They're nice. Smell delicious.
They're really nice.
I boiling hot. It's burnt my tongue.
I like that.
Oh yeah.
They're nice.
Oh, they're really nice, aren't they?
Really nice. With some new seasoning, is it?
I don't know. Didn't mean them. 69p.
No, it's not bad.
That's well worth it, isn't it? That's really nice. All them chops are really nice. It's really hot. If you haven't tried that from B&M, you need to try it. Garlic and herb and a chip and potato one. Air fryers, 69p. Really, really nice, honestly. So simple as well. Just trial and error, isn't it? But I think I've got them chops about perfect for us, ain't I?
Really nice.
Really nice. That's a 10 out of 10 for that seasoning for me. 100%. It's really, really nice. Yeah, nothing else I can say. It's really nice. I can't really eat it yet, it's too hot. I don't like my food boiling hot. How's the good old fat?
Right.
Nice.
Yeah. Really nice. Just right.
As I say, let me know if you've had it or you want to try it. I'm going to have tomorrow off. I haven't done any messages for a couple of weeks. Have to be doing something off the camera. So I'm going to go having the day off tomorrow and I'm going to do all my messages. I've got to go through them all, a couple of weeks worth. So I'll be a few hours doing that. So all in all, what are you giving that, Bab? That's your 10 for me. I don't care.
Yeah, 10.
Getting it a 10?
I'm going to give it a 10, yeah.
Getting it a 10. And that's getting it a 10 as well. For 69p. You know what I mean? For the seasoning. You can't go wrong with that, can you?
No, you can't.
As I say, till the next time, from B&M, can't go wrong. Bye-bye.